pay a couple things. Wait a minute. I'm listening to this menopause thing on YouTube, and it says your brain isn't going to be the same. It's going to go back to what it wanted to be before menopause. I think that's bullshit. I'll turn it off. Fairy dust and menopause does not go together. Two things. The door out front of Frock is busted today. So if you know where to park behind, 612 is the address to Frock. Off of Cherry Street, there is a little parking lot, and then you can come in the back door through my studio. Otherwise, there's a sign on the door guiding you to go through the bistro side yard around the back to 612. I'm very sorry. The landlord is on it. Okay. The other thing I wanted to do was one of these opening things. We got a package in today, and I want to open it in front of you. Move my stuff. Okay, this is from a showroom in Texas that I like to use. They rep some interesting lines that I don't see around here, and that's, you know, the goal of Frock is to be different, unique, but, you know, not super duper out there. So, oh, I can't wait for this dress. You know the prairie thing that's been in? I love the look, but because I wore it before, I'm hesitant to put it on again, but I got it in this cool snakeskin print. So it's got the high neck of the prairie look, or the grandma look they call it. It's got the puff shoulders with the additional ruffles. See? Okay. Look at that. Loose on front, pleats. I will put this on a mannequin and take better pictures of it. The ruffle at the bottom, but the skirt is straight. So it's age appropriate. All right, and it has a tie in the back, and it looks open, but it's not. It's the lining, and there's a zipper. So it gives a nice little blouson detail. Again, I'm gonna put this on a mannequin after I steam them up. I got 3, small, medium, and large. So if you're interested in trying this on, you gotta contact me, and I will hold one, okay? All right, next. Get the skirts? Yes. Okay, so pleats are everywhere. I'm going to be doing a blog about the pleats, how to wear them. A lot of women are afraid of them. They tend to accentuate the hips, but not if you do it right. So let me get one of these open. Okay, so I ordered gray. This is more like a taupe. Ooh. And it's suede-y. Look at that. It's got the elastic. Nope, it's a zip, so it's nice and it'll be smoother on top without elastic. Oh, I love this. I love this. I got 3 sizes. Again, get on in here. This color will go with anything. Okay. And last but not least, this was a special order. A lady came in looking for a certain color dress. So when I was looking, I fell in love with the style. And her color is blue. And I won't open that because that's going to belong to somebody else. But look what I got in rose. Okay, so you know when you want that dress that feels like $1 million on the body and it's not necessarily super huggy? This dress. It's got a slightly empired waistline and then pleating here, long sleeves, really user friendly. And the bottom has a slight detail at the hem that twists it and picks it up at the front. Again, I'm going to be putting this on a mannequin after I steam it up, and I will take better pictures. I only ordered 3. You do not want to see yourselves coming and going around here. So stay tuned for more. And again, the front door's busted. Sorry about that. And we'll see you soon, hopefully. I need to find the remote. All right. Bye.